ABB is a technology leader in electrification and automation. We energize and enable the transformation of society and industry to achieve a more productive, sustainable future. In Indonesia, ABB was established in the 1980s. From one office in Jakarta, we have grown to several offices, factories, workshops, and service centers, ensuring a prominent nationwide presence. ABB operates in several major cities in Indonesia, such as Jakarta, Surabaya, Medan, and Balikpapan, with 2 factories in Cibitung and Tangerang. We work together with channel partners and distributors throughout the country. With more than 450 people across several locations in Indonesia, we ensure countrywide coverage to serve you, our valued customers and business partners. Whether digitalization, innovation, advanced manufacturing, or urban infrastructure in Indonesia, ABB's technologies perfectly complement the country's future roadmap. With our extensive business scope and established market presence, ABB has a bold vision to do more for our customers and to be a part of Indonesia's economic transformation. Meet our business areas. Discover how our 4 main business areas push the boundaries of technology, driving innovation and value. Electrification. Electrifying the world in a safe, smart, and sustainable way. ABB Electrification is a global technology leader in electrical distribution and management from source to socket. We develop innovative products, solutions, and digital technologies that enable energy efficiency and a low-carbon society across all sectors. By applying global scale with local expertise, we shape and support global trends, deliver customer excellence, and power a sustainable future for society. In Indonesia, as part of our commitment to grow the local footprint, we have 2 factories that serve domestic and overseas markets. ABB's MCB factory in Cibitung, Bekasi, West Java, produces millions of MCB poles yearly to serve PLN, the Indonesia utility company, and meet export orders from different countries. As part of the company's commitment to sustainability, the factory is equipped with solar photovoltaic power plant in the factory rooftop. The clean power generated from the plant is used to power some of the operational activities in the factory. Step inside ABB's medium-voltage switchgear factory in Tangerang, located around 25 kilometers west of Jakarta. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is addressing the growing market demands in Indonesia. The 3,700-meter-square facility produces air-insulated switchgear for primary and secondary distribution, such as Unisec, Unigear, and digital solutions, representing some of the latest innovations in medium-voltage switchgear. To ensure the highest quality, operations at both factories comply with the prevailing national and international standards. Medium-voltage products facilitate the connection of electricity to billions of users worldwide. Process automation. Writing the future of safe, smart, and sustainable operations. ABB's process automation business offers a broad range of solutions for process and hybrid industries, including industry-specific integrated automation, electrification, and digital solutions, control technologies, software, advanced services, and measurement and analytics offerings. Our 3 businesses represent our strong presence in Indonesia. Process industries. ABB Process Industries provides complete products, services, and solutions to clients in pulp and paper mining, aluminum, cement, metals, F&B, data center automation, and battery manufacturing. We combine specialized people in the specific industry business, engineering expertise, industry knowledge in automation and electrification, and digital solutions. In 2023, Indonesia was appointed the pulp and paper business headquarters for Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. Measurement and analytics. ABB's measurement and analytical products provide a world-class measurement solution for any industry and application, with continuous innovations and development to ensure the plant operation is a more effortless experience. We offer a comprehensive range of solutions, from field instruments and devices analytical measurements to force measurements. With ABB, measurement is made easy in space, on the ocean floor, and everywhere in between. Energy Industries. ABB Energy Industries is committed to balancing the need for secure, affordable energy today with the need for a cleaner future by investing in a diverse energy mix that is produced more efficiently and sustainably. As we look ahead to a sustainable future, ABB is making a world of difference today with safer, smarter, and more sustainable solutions for tomorrow's world. Motion. In motion, we keep the world turning while saving energy every day. Our pioneering drives, motors, generators products, traction technologies, and integrated digital powertrain solutions drive a low-carbon future for industries, cities, infrastructure, transportation, rail, and e-mobility to help you reach new efficiency and energy savings levels. We offer tailored services and digital solutions to keep your operations running profitably, safely, and reliably. Drives Service Station is our facility in Sibitung that allows customers to experience the ABB design through testing certification expertise and be exposed to the technology of ABB's engineering and products. With the market's most comprehensive service network globally and certified service engineers standing by to carry out repairs on-site or in an authorized workshop, our Motors and Generators Workshop is ready to serve our customers in Tangerang, Surabaya, and Balikpapan. With a total floor space of 3,500 square meters, we are ideally equipped to offer all types of services, from rewinding and reconditioning of electrical machines, mechanical repairs, life expectancy analysis program, conditioning monitoring, energy efficiency audit to training and consulting. Robotics and discrete automation. ABB is a leading supplier of industrial robots, robot software, equipment, and complete application solutions. Our focus on innovation includes extensive work in artificial intelligence, an ecosystem of digital partnerships, and expanding our production and research capabilities. We offer a span of industrial robots, controllers, applications, equipment and accessories software applications, robot studio, and service and manufacturing solutions. Robotics Customers Experience and Training Center is the new facility that allows customers to access innovation opportunities. This Customer Experience Center also includes a training center for customers and employees to engage in two-way dialogue with ABB's engineering and product teams, giving valuable insights for ABB and our customers. ABB Values and Code of Conduct. Our values are the cornerstone of our culture. They shape everything we do, guide our behavior and interactions with colleagues, customers, partners, and society and help us realize our purpose. Living our 4 ABB values means we lead by example in business. We enliven the spirit through the ABB Code of Conduct. The code manifests our ABB values: courage, care, curiosity, and collaboration in concrete integrity practices, empowerment and accountability, respect and governance, awareness and continuous improvement, and transparency. Above all, the code requires us to be fair, honest, and respectful in our dealings with others, comply with all applicable laws and regulations, and report suspected code violations promptly. Beyond that, we are committed to safe and healthy work routines, adopting sustainable and environmentally sound business practices, and respecting human rights to remain a global employer of choice. Integrity is a shared responsibility. We manage risks, and we speak up when we have a concern. This grants us our license to operate and makes us proud to be ABB. Certifications. Our commitment to state-of-the-art quality and environmental standards has been recognized by the ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2004 certifications for our operations, and with OSAS 18001-2007 for the health and safety systems we have in place to protect the people we employ in Indonesia, as well as our contractors and customers affected by our activities. ABB FIA Formula E World Championship. The ABB FIA Formula E World Championship brings the thrill of electric racing to as many people as we can on city center circuits worldwide. But more than that, it is a showcase for the world's most advanced e-mobility technologies, which are helping to drive progress towards a more sustainable future. The race came for the first time in June 2022, with 22 drivers competing on a purpose-built 2.37-kilometer circuit set against the backdrop of Jakarta Bay. The Jakarta E-Prix also hosts multiple aspects of the motorsport industry through activities and workshops. In 2023, ABB took on its new role as the official charging partner in the series. With engineers from the motorsport governing body, the FIA, and Formula E, ABB has developed a compact, reliable, and safe solution for charging the new Gen 3 cars before race day and between sessions. ABB. Let's write the future together!